BiGDUG's AluTruk Aluminium sack trucks. 6 different versions, 6 different uses. Available with deep or wide toe plates and a choice of handles. Extended vertical loop and double handle only. Vertical loop handle and P handle. The sack trucks are also available with stair glides and supplied with smooth-running puncture-proof tyres. Protective knuckle guards are fitted to the dual-handle models. AluTruk aluminium sack trucks, designed for intensive use on larger loads in storage, transport and distribution environments.